Main thing for me to share with you is that those of you that were in the room, did you hear any panic in my voice? Did you hear my heart thumping? Well, if it reaches this level, I better get out, or should I get out now? Like, was there any question about what I was going to do? I literally told you guys if it's either yellow or level. If I got a bar like this, I would have exited the trade, but there was no bar. And the rule is level, and that's one of them right there. Now, how perfect is that rule? So now, think about this. I put you in a position to be in the less than 1%, to be able to identify a reversal so that you're not the idiots jumping in here to the upside. Check. I'm giving you a simple, with all the myriad price action methods that are out there, I'm giving you a simple 3-step price action rule: reversal candle, confirmation candle, and a cross of the 3 and the 5. That's it. 1, 2, 3. While everybody else is Heiken Ashi and stochastics and volume zones and buy zone, you know what? Enjoy your indicators. Enjoy all your crazy shit. I got 3 things to look at: price, reversal, confirmation, cross. Is that enough? No. But I've narrowed it down so that you can be in the less than 1% that now can visually see a reversal that not everybody else sees. But that's not enough. I then put you in that minuscule percentage of day traders that actually have custom indicators that'll confirm everything that you just laid out. You laid out initial direction. You laid out that you were looking for a reversal and to short it. You looks like you got clues. At the time that you thought it would happen, it did. You read the price action. You were right. And then you confirmed it with 1, 2, 3 very unique indicators that literally took a second to glance at. The rest of the world doesn't have this. Maybe they got other things, but look at this. I mean, how many times do I got to show you this? I'll show you the reversal that I missed because I was chatting about all of this and I missed the reversal, although I think Birdman got the reversal and some other people did some CTVs on the way up. But I put you in that position. And then that's for the entry. So you now have a 5-star entry like nobody's business. But the entry is only as good as how you walk away from the trade once you close it. So I'm now giving you, imagine if you had, let's say the whole world had whatever got them into the trade brilliantly, just like you did, but they didn't have a rule called yellow or level. So they stayed in it because they were, wow, look at this candle. Woohoo, let's go, baby. Look at this momentum, man. This is great. Boom, boom. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh, there's VWAP. It'll stay below VWAP. And bye-bye. Your excitement over here turned into panic and desperation over here because you had no exit strategy. Well, when I get to 5%, when I get to 20%, when I trailing stop. No, you don't have an exit strategy. I do. I know what the levels are that are the most significant. Pre-market high, pre-market low, yesterday's close, and today's open. Want to throw VWAP in there? Be my guest. Want to throw in a 50 period simple, the 200 simple? Be my guest. Love it. Now you got levels. And first thing in the morning, it's all you got is levels. You don't have any prior swings yet, do you? If you opened here and went to here, and now you're trading here, all you got is this pre-market high, low, and this. There are no other swings, are there? Now, once you take this trade and now you're in this trade, well, you've got some history. You got this and you got this. So now you've got a level here and a confirmed level here as you go to trade this way or whatever way. So I'm putting you in a position to have an exit strategy that nobody else has. I mean, nobody. And so those are the components: the time of day zone and knowing Is price coming up into it or down into it? And when you make that determination, you're looking for that or you're looking for that. Don't be tempted to jump on the moving train. You're looking for the other way, going into the time of day zone. Price action is just three things: reversal candle, confirmation candle, moving average cross, and then confirm it with the oscillator, the RSI, and the shift dots. When that happens, look to your right and get into the damn trade and just use yellow or level to get out. Sounds like a lot, but say that 50 times, practice it on paper 20 times, and you'll be a rock star. Yeah, Smoke Eater, fallen 5 for sure, but typically when I see the falling 5, I want to see the 5-period moving average closer to the level. I want to see it coming down like this, and it didn't. It already kind of started to slow down. See, price is here, moving average is here, and you're starting to get a little bit of this. And I said that I was going to get out here, and this went straight down. Boom, doom, doom, doom. Order filled out. It was beautiful. No stress. And when you trade with rules and methodology, there's no stress. There's no fear. I mean, it's always in the back of your head, but now look at the reversal. So it's 10:20. I'm coming up on a time of day zone, otherwise known as the 10:40. I just came up on a level and I exited the trade. My cycle indicator is at the bottom again. My RSI is now below 50 and I got yellow dots galore. What am I looking for? Watch this. This is even better. I'm looking for the reversal from that move into here. And so I look for clues. Clue 1, clue 2, triangle, reversal candle, confirmation, moving average cross. So I got my time of day zone I'm coming up on. I know I'm coming down, so I know that I'm not looking to short this any longer. I am looking for the reversal. And I got clues. And then price action confirmed it. And now I'm going to look at the three indicators. Dumpty-dumpty-dump. Now this is at the bottom of the cycle. Look, red to green. Check. Red, crossing over the 50 to green. A sea of yellow turns to sea of blue. Check. Take the damn trade. Buy the 562 calls. And when do we get out? Where would we get out? I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade. I'm in the trade. Well, if you guys are advanced, you know what this is. See these little dots right there? Oh, yeah. There was a yellow bar here for about a second. Yeah, this is where you add to the trade. Woohoo! Why wouldn't you? Look what's going on here. Look at the trajectory. You could look at I won't even look at the 5-minute. I could, but I won't. Just going to just stick right here. Right here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Bang, right there. Look at that, right on the 20. Reverse, confirm, add to the trade. So you're in it, you're adding to it, and then as soon as you get yellow, bang, right here. See that right there? That is either an add if you're aggressive, or it's your exit. Because before this was red, you got yellow bar. Yellow bar would have gotten you out right there. If you understand adding, then this would have been a picture perfect add as well as this. Look at this. The dots remain blue. Cycle indicator keeps moving. Everything's still above 50. Everything's rocking and rolling. But you get yellow bar followed by red bar, Wyckoff wave, and resumption. And that's where you get more. And then you get out at the next yellow. Ding. This is fucking great. It's just great. So that, my friends, is Convert to Vert Plus.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video from Trade With Me Now. Make sure to go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel so you make sure that you catch our next video right when it's released. Also, if you have a question or comment, please leave that in the comment section below. And of course, if you want to learn more about Trade With Me Now or join our community of profitable traders, go to tradewithmenow.com. There's also a link in the description below.